Hello everyone. Today we're going to show you the proper way to use an air hydraulic service jack along with some screw jack stands. The first step is to make sure the vehicle or the load is on an even level surface. The second step is to position the jack stands, one on each side of the vehicle. Be sure to properly line them up with the axle tubes. Once you have properly lined up the jack stands, now you can properly line up your air hydraulic service jack. Be sure to line up the jack properly with the rear differential gear axle. Once it's centered, you may begin to lift the vehicle. As the vehicle starts to lift off the ground, you can adjust each side of the jack stands. Be sure to always think safety first. As you screw the jack stands to the desired position, be sure they're completely secure. Once they are secure, you can remove your air hydraulic service jack and work on your vehicle. Screw jack stands can be adjusted with included handle without having to use the jack for minor adjustments. Once you're done working on your vehicle, reposition the air hydraulic service jack to line up with the differential gear axle. Slightly lift the jack up so the load is now resting on the jack. Then you can remove the jack stands. Always think safety first.